But listen to me.
Okay.
I'm a good girl.
Okay.
I won't do nothing bad.
Okay.
I love my son so much.
Okay.
I promise you on Jesus Christ.
Okay.
But please, can you give me a chance to like...
The parent, make sure he knows that. He's doing it.
Was she sleeping? Was she sleeping?
Not responding to me, and then she tried to drive off twice. I said,
Was she sleeping?
no, she was like this.
The 14 is up, then I'm calling you.
Is the car off? Okay.
And she kept trying to turn around and drive off.
Okay.
I was trying to come.
Okay. Hey, we're not arguing. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
I was just trying to drive off the car behind me. I was talking to them, and then they said they were going to leave off, and I just stopped my car. I was not trying to drive off. I was not trying to do anything wrong.
So she was sleeping.
I was not
she was
sleeping.
talking like she
I was talking to my friend behind
I was
me,
trying to tell him to move,
and they
and he saw
literally...
me. She didn't notice me at all. I knocked on the window. She didn't even move.
She knocked on the window one time, and I answered the call.
She kept
Right
trying to
there, I
drive
turned
and
off the
take
car.
Okay.
She told me to get her the keys. I gave her the keys.
Cool.
Officers made contact with a woman found behind the wheel of a stopped vehicle outside a nightclub. She appeared disoriented, had come from a club, and admitted to consuming alcohol. What followed was a DUI investigation that would go all the way to a jury trial and end in a full acquittal. Under Florida Statutes Section 316(193), a person commits DUI when driving or in actual physical control of a vehicle, while their normal faculties are impaired. Florida courts have held under Department of Highway Safety v. Savage, 1988, that a person found behind the wheel of a stationary vehicle, with the engine capable of operation, may be found in actual physical control, even without the vehicle moving. The officer observed 3 indicators on scene: a detectable odor of alcohol, swaying while walking, and the subject's admission of at least 1 mixed drink after the nightclub. Each indicator independently supports reasonable suspicion. Combined under Illinois v. Gates, 462 U.S. 213, 1983, the totality of circumstances provided probable cause to initiate a formal DUI investigation.
Not doing anything wrong.
What's your name, ma'am?
Jacoria.
Jacory, do you have your ID on you or your DL? Where are you coming from tonight?
I was coming with my friend.
Where to?
So Lieutenant 19
Came
out.
from the club.
The club? Alright. Which club did you go to?
I went to social.
Social?
Yeah,
Alright.
he was right behind me. She let him go, and she
Where were you parked before this?
right here. I didn't park
Right.
nowhere other.
Oh, you know you can't park here anywhere, right?
He told me to park here in front of him.
Okay.
I get it. I was doing nothing
Jacora?
wrong. Jacoria.
A favor?
Yes.
Take your seatbelt off, and I just want to ask you a couple questions outside the car, okay?
Okay.
You be cool with that?
Yes.
Appreciate that. Can you run her? See if she's valid.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sorry.
Okay. Come over here, Jacora. All right. So you were coming to downtown?
Huh?
You were just coming downtown, and what were you doing?
Yeah, and then he was behind me, and then he moved off, and I just stayed here.
All right. Well, you were at the club tonight?
Yeah.
What club?
What was that social?
Social. How many drinks did you have at social?
I didn't have no drinks, just one.
None or one?
None.
I can smell it.
Okay, I get you, but I didn't do nothing wrong.
Hear me out. I'm just asking how many drinks you had.
None.
None? You said one?
I
you
literally
said
was
none?
there with my friend, and my friend drove off, and
So 0 alcoholic beverages tonight.
yeah,
Do you smoke any weed?
no. I
None
don't
at all?
smoke weed. I'm very, like, I want to get home to my son.
Okay.
My son's there with me, and my friend was behind me,
But-
and she let my friend go off, and she just, like, literally
got
came to me like I was the
I
problem.
got you. So here's what I'm doing, right?
Yes,
You're behind the wheel of a car.
I understand.
You're swaying when you walk.
I'm not
I
swaying. I'll go clearly with the walk. I
Okay,
promise.
that's fine. Jacora, I need
Can you give me a chance? Like, listen.
I'm trying to
listen.
get... Okay, but you're not being honest with me.
I am being honest with you.
How many drinks
Like,
did you
I
have?
have a son.
Okay.
Listen to me.
Okay, I'm listening.
I understand that she let him go off, but listen to me.
Okay,
I'm a good girl.
okay,
I won't do nothing bad.
okay,
I love my son so much.
okay,
I promise you on Jesus Christ.
okay.
But
So,
please, can you give me a chance to, like,
what do you need a chance? Why are you so nervous right now?
I'm not nervous.
So what do you need a chance for?
I'm just saying, like, she just literally let my friend go off, and my friend brought me here.
Okay. But why are you? What do you mean? Give you a chance?
Like, let me show you that I'm very much ready to go home.
Are you? So, I operate on honesty, right? Now, how many drinks did you have tonight? You said one. You said some. Where are you at? Because I'm. Here's the thing. You see where I work downtown? You think I deal with people that drink a lot, right? You think I know you're not being honest with me? How many drinks did you have tonight? One. What kind of drink did you have?
I had one drink.
What kind?
I had like one drink with my friend.
Was it a beer? Was it a mixed drink?
It was a mixed drink.
Mixed drink? What kind of drink was it?
It was I think he gave me like what is it called? It's like a Sex on the Beach.
Okay, so did it have more than one shot? Would you be willing to do some exercises with me so I could see how impaired you are and stuff like that? Okay. All right, and you're going to follow this right here. Are you going to follow this with your eyes and your eyes only without moving your head, okay? All right, without moving your head.
Okay.
Okay, so don't move your head. All right, so let's start again.
Okay.
Do not move your head. All right, just follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Right here, this is what you're looking at. Can you touch that? All right, with your eyes only, do not move your head. Stop doing that. This is going to be our third attempt. Don't move your eyes wherever you want. Follow this blue light. Shakur, remember what I said about honesty? I've been cool with you, right? We've been having a good conversation. You just keep moving your eyes around. Please stop that, okay?
So what I'm doing?
All your eyes have to do is follow this, okay? So for the third time, we're going to go again, okay?
Scare me.
All right, are you unable to do this?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, cool. So let's do the next one, all right? So after the fourth, just stop moving. Stop. So after 4 attempts, you're unable to perform that just because you can't follow directions, okay?
I can't follow directions,
right,
but
we're just gonna move on to
the...
Okay. So
the person you let go, he the one who gave me the drink. Like...
Okay, but how old are you?
29.
So you're an adult and you choose what you can drink, right? So let's go over here. Put over here. No, just right here. What are you doing? Okay.
Take off these shoes because I'm like bow-legged, so my legs like may move.
Okay, cool. Can you come over here and face this way? Nope. Come over here and face that way. There you go. All right. Can you do me a favor? Can you imagine a line from here all the way down over there, like a generally straight line?
Yeah.
Hello? I didn't say nope. I'm just one step at a time, okay?
Yeah.
So when I tell you, nope.
We're doing a DUI.
Yeah.
Can you come over here? Jakora. No. Jakora. Come over here.
Yes.
Let's go over here. All right, start over again, okay? I'm trying to help you right now, and you're not helping yourself. So stop.
Please,
So,
just help me.
You're left.
You just fuck me out real quick. Okay.
What are you doing? All right.
My legs to like realize what's going
Gotcha.
on.
All right. So can you put your left foot on the line?
$25 285 970 285 970.
All right, cool. Come over here. Next one is a one-leg stand, okay? You're going to pick any foot you choose. Your left, your right or left. Doesn't matter. Completely up to you. When I tell you, you're going to raise your foot approximately 6 inches off the ground. All right, Jakora. Let's go over there and let's walk towards my partner. Let's walk towards my partner over there. All right, you're being placed under arrest for DUI, okay?
The officer administered 3 NHTSA standardized field sobriety exercises: the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, the walk and turn, and the one-leg stand. Field sobriety exercises are voluntary in Florida. Refusal carries no criminal penalty, but refusal is admissible as circumstantial evidence of consciousness of guilt. The subject consented to all 3 exercises. The horizontal gaze nystagmus test required 4 separate restart attempts. Under NHTSA standardized protocols, multiple administrative restarts constitute a protocol deviation that directly affects the reliability and admissibility of the test result. The subject also disclosed a bow-legged condition and a knee impairment, physical characteristics that independently affect walk and turn performance under any fair administration of the test. Critically, no chemical test breath or blood was obtained or offered on camera. Under Florida Statutes Section 316-1932, the implied consent law requires any person lawfully arrested for DUI to submit to chemical testing. Refusal is admissible and results in license suspension. Without a chemical test result, the prosecution was left to prove impairment through officer testimony and contested field sobriety performance alone, a significantly weaker evidentiary posture. The subject was also charged with resisting an officer without violence. Under Florida Statutes Section 843-0-2, that charge requires the underlying law enforcement action to be lawful. The prosecution subsequently entered a Nolle Prosequi, dropping the charge entirely. This decision signals that the state recognized the resisting charge could not stand if the underlying DUI arrest itself was legally vulnerable. The officer receives a B, patient, calm, and professionally measured throughout a lengthy investigation. However, the HGN test required 4 restarts of protocol deviation that undermined the reliability of that result. More critically, no chemical test was obtained. A breath test would have been the strongest evidence available, and its absence created the evidentiary gap that led to acquittal. The subject receives a B+. She consistently maintained her innocence, disclosed physical conditions relevant to the FSE performance, and most significantly retained a public defender, and took the case all the way to a jury trial. The one deduction, her initial denial of any alcohol consumption, followed by an admission to 1 mixed drink, created an early credibility issue the prosecution would have exploited. The resisting charge was dropped by Nolle Prosequi. The DUI charge went to jury trial. On November 3, 2025, the jury returned a verdict of not guilty. This acquittal is constitutionally final. The Fifth Amendment's double jeopardy clause bars any retrial on the same charge. 2 lessons from this case. 1. Probable cause for arrest and proof beyond a reasonable doubt are different standards. An officer can lawfully arrest based on probable cause, even when the prosecution later fails at trial. 2. In DUI cases without a chemical test, the entire case rests on field sobriety performance and the officer's credibility under cross-examination. A defense attorney can challenge FSE protocol deviations in real time, and in this case, that strategy worked. This case is a textbook example of why chemical testing matters. The officer had probable cause. The arrest was lawful. But without a breath test result, the jury had reasonable doubt, and reasonable doubt is all a defendant needs.
Orange, that's first time. I'll get Johnson's. And I'll get your phone.
Yeah, you get Johnson.
I'm gonna close your window and give you keys.
Yeah. Do you have a purse in the car? Yeah? All right, we'll get that for you, okay?
Can I do it again?
No. Hey, just relax.
Hold on,
You're
you're good.
fine.
I'm not. No one's pushing
Okay,
you.
that's fine. Here, we're just gonna. You want to search her real quick?
Yeah, actually. Come on over here. Actually.
Yeah, you can put her shoes on real quick. All right. Walk over there. To your right.
I'm trying to tell you right here.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to show you right here.
Stop. Keep walking. Stop.
You don't have to hold me. I'm gonna go out there and you don't have to hold me.
I don't want you to fall over.
I'm
I
not
know.
gonna fall.
All right, relax.
Relax.
No, right here. She's been searched. Right.
Good, how you
Alright.
doing?
DUI. Giving you a lawful command to step back.
Oh,
Or do you understand? Do you understand?
I don't.
You don't? Okay.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Sit back.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Sit back.
I don't understand what you're saying.
You're going to stay away from her.
What you're saying, I don't understand.
Okay.
What you're saying to me is very, like, it's speaking to me, like, in parables, and it's like, it's not working for my comprehension. So I'd rather you just step back from me.
I'd rather you listen.
I'd rather you step back from me. Because what you're saying to me, I don't understand. Do you guys see my face? I don't understand what he's saying. He's very much in my face, and I really don't understand what he's saying. I really don't understand. My name is Jacoria, and I don't understand what he's saying. I don't understand what they're saying. I don't understand what she's saying. I don't care what they're saying. I'd rather them to step back from my face. I don't understand what they're saying. I'd rather them stop talking to me because I have a son and I have a knee impairment.
Sit down. You're going to sit down.
They're pushing me
Stop.
down right now, and I'm very
Stop.
uncomfortable.
Stop.
I'm very uncomfortable, and I feel very scared for my life. And I'd rather somebody come in
If she
here
gets
to
back
help
up
me.
again, can we just...
Can you please
Yeah.
help me?
All right.
Because
If she gets up again,
I don't
we're
care
gonna... All right.
about what they're saying. I have an impairment on my knee, and I told them
Do not
already.
put your leg...
I told them already I have impairment on my knee, and it's on camera, and I'd rather them step back from me because I came here before, and they slapped me in the face, and they hurt me really bad, and I don't like it. I really need someone to help me. I don't trust them. I want to be rescued right now. I need somebody here who really understands what I'm saying, and I want them to get out of my face. And that's the truth. My name is Jacoria. So if anything happens to me, just know that I'm telling the truth. I didn't do anything wrong. I told them I got in an accident before this a week
Stay
ago,
back.
and they're still walking away. So,
Nope.
I will walk. Let my arm go, please. On the camera.
Stop,
Let
ma'am.
my arm
Stop
go.
pulling away.
I'm not pulling away.
Stop pulling away, ma'am.
He's lying. He's lying.
Ma'am,
I'm
stop
not
pulling away.
I'm not pulling away. I'm right here. You
Stop
see my hands?
pulling away.
You see my hands?
Stop touching.
I'm not pulling away. I'm not
Relax.
touching. My hands are right here.
Take a seat.
I'm taking the seat.
Take a seat now.
I'm taking the seat.
Take a seat.
You see my hands?
Get in the car.
I'm taking
Put
the
them
seat.
behind your back and get in the car.
Put them behind my back.
Get in the car.
Get in the car.